This is the BMW M340i xDrive. It has a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 engine. It has 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. And if that isn't nutty enough, well, it goes from 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. Mind-blowing. But what I'm going to do is that 0 to 60 run right now. I'm going to let you hear what that sounds like. But because this has active sound design where they pipe in some extra engine and exhaust noise through the speakers to, well, make it a little zestier, well, I'm going to show you what it sounds like inside as well as outside the car with the twin pipe exhaust. So here I am in Sport Plus. Let her rip inside. And that's 60. All right, now what it sounds like outside.